Hello guys, this is Vysh. So today is Monday and we'll discuss history questions, and I've taken a little bit current affairs question of history which happened in this month only, April, May month, whatever happened, and some from previous year questions. So watch till the end, and every day it's a different subject, so please watch everything, and do subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and WhatsApp me. Okay, that is the beginning of your preparation. I'll guide you how to start from scratch. So these are different playlists which is happening. Economic survey is done in 12 episode mini series, and CSAT also. If you are scared about this exam, this one single video will help you clear any CSAT paper. Okay. For 2024, back-to-back strategy videos are being done, and it will be going on for next 1 year. Okay. So these are the different packs. I'll explain at the end of this video. Question number 1. This is a previous year question. Prime Minister recently inaugurated the new circuit house near Somnath Temple at Veraval. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Somnath Temple? Somnath Temple is one of the Jyotirlinga shrines. A description of Somnath Temple was given by Al-Biruni. Pran Pratishtha of Somnath Temple, that is installation of the present day temple, was done by President S. Radhakrishnan. So options are 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only. So this is the first question based on a current affair and a little bit history. So here it's very easy because the options are like this. If you eliminate any one, you will get the answer. So here this is correct. There are 12 Jyotirlingas, so that is correct, and Al-Biruni has written about it. So both are true. So statement 3, okay, it's not S. Radhakrishnan because he was the second president of India that time. Second president. But before that, the first president time. Okay, that time only this was done. And Vallabhbhai Patel and Rajendra Prasad, they were the people involved during this ceremony. So statement 3 you can eliminate. Okay, statement 3 you can eliminate, and you get the answer as C. Okay, 1 second. C, 1, 2 only. Okay, so here it is the first among the 12 Adi Jyotirlingas of India. I will show you the list also. It is mentioned in the travelogue of Arab traveler Al-Biruni, and you know Mahmud Ghazni. He attacked the Somnath temple around 17 times and raided the temple, looted whatever was there, and that is why it is very important for the people living there and across India also. And this was rebuilt multiple times by different kings, and this Boja built it, and the modern present day temple under Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel it was done, and that time's President Dr. Rajendra Prasad did the installation or the Pran Pratishtha. Okay, so these are the 12 Jyotirlingas. In future UPSC will surely ask a question on these temples. Already Omkareshwara, which is a kind of Shiva temple, they have asked like is this a sun temple or not. That kind of one statement already came, which was false. Okay, so like that other temples also surely questions are going to come in the future, so please prepare individually about them. And Al-Biruni also in your modern history textbooks and all we have taught you. So about him also little notes are given. He was a philosopher, mathematician, and wrote a lot of books on religion, science, social, everything. So you have to know about him. Question number 2. Kirati people and the Ubhauli festival seen in news is closely related to the people from Western Ghats, Narmada Valley, Lakshadweep, or Himalayas. So which region alone you have to identify, not even the state or not even the particular caste name or religion name and all. You have to correctly tell the area in which these people and festival are celebrating. Okay, these people are celebrating these things. So here answer is D, the Himalayas. So they are a Sino-Tibetan ethnic group people. They are people of the Himalayas, mostly in the eastern Himalayas. So Nepal, Sikkim, Darjeeling, those areas they are there, and they are also called mountain people. And this festival of this people are celebrated by these communities which are there in Nepal. And it's a very important festival for them. Okay, so there again the migration phase, okay, going uphill, going downhill, that kind of things and all they celebrate here. And in the full moon day, lunar month of Baisakh, and it is mostly celebrated in this province and this district of Nepal. Okay, so some religious books are also given here. That and all may not be much important. At least you have to identify their area, and here dance form is also given. So like that little bit you should have an idea. It is in the Himalayan Indo-Nepal region. Okay. Question number 3. Tagains are one of the major tribes of. Okay, so there is a tribe group which is there in news. So they are from Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, or Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so this again, this tribes their festivals, their ministries. These are very like favorite topic, and every year minimum 2 questions will be there which is related to tribe, generally tribal ministry or specific to certain tribes. Definitely 2 questions will be there. Okay, and it's mostly asked from current affairs. So you have to know these things. So here the answer will be B, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, they are one of the major tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, and they are belonging to a larger designation of this clan, Abotani, and they are mostly concentrated in the upper Subansiri district, okay, which is in Arunachal. And Doni Polism is a religion. Okay, Poloism is a religion followed by the Tagins. So their festivals, when they celebrate, how they celebrate is there. Now the ministry, Kiran Rijiju, minister, he has released the trailer of a movie which is based on them. Okay, this communities till now, which everybody did not know, a movie has come out, and so it is getting pan India reach. Okay, so that is why this is in news. Question number 4: Center orders All India Radio, that is AIR, to be exclusively known as Akashvani. Which of the following are false? Radio broadcasting began in India in 1850s under Lord Dalhousie. Usha Mehta was appointed as India's first controller of broadcasting. FM broadcasting began in Calcutta in 1940s and expanded in the 1980s. Okay, so 3 statements are given about All India Radio. So 1, 2, 3, 2 only, 1, 2 only, none of these. Okay, all these things which Prime Minister will be talking in his that Man Ki Baat thing, which completed 100 episodes now, is very, very important. He talks about religions, communities, India's culture, India's festivals, many things he talks there. Okay, so including All India Radio and Doordarshan and our Khadi, Indian tradition, many things he talks. So everything becomes important for you, especially as I told, because 100th episode or something has completed of that. So here, which of the following are false? Answer is A, 1, 2, 3, meaning all the three are false. Okay, all these are made up statements. And if you see here, radio broadcasting began in 1923 only. Okay, when the Radio Club of Bombay sent out the first commercial transmission. Okay, then in the same year, Calcutta Radio Club and Madras Presidency Radio Club was established, but the ambitious Indian Broadcasting Company faced bankruptcy in 1930. Okay, then government intervened, and then Indian State Broadcasting Services started. Okay, so like that, it has an evolution. Okay, that history I am written here. And this person, Lionel Felden, a senior BBC producer, was appointed as India's first controller of broadcasting in 1935. Okay, then June 8, 1936, it was renamed to All India Radio. Okay, so everything is happening before India's independence. Okay, that you should know. Then we have this much radio stations, this much population is listening to it. These numbers are not very important, 23 languages, because that will keep changing by the time you give your exam. So again, after this, if you see, FM broadcasting in particular began in Chennai in 1977. Okay, that is after 30 years of our independence. It started and expanded in the 90s. Okay, now you know FM channels are there, 18 FM stereo channels are there, and all the urban audience in their vehicles and shops, everywhere it's being played. Okay, so now Akashvani name was adopted in 1956 and was used interchangeably, either AIR or Akashvani. Now the government has told call it exclusively Akashvani. Okay, so the music, its jingle, all these things are in news now. So you should know the basic history of it. Now question number 5, different tribe names are given. Okay, this Chaktiya, Bunjia, Bondas, Biror, etc. belong to which of the following Indian states or UT? Jammu and Kashmir, Odisha, Goa, Himachal Pradesh. Okay. As I told, tribes, you cannot by heart all the tribes in this country, because there are more than 750 tribes. But in that 750 tribes, there are 75 of them which are PVTG, okay, particularly vulnerable tribal group. And they are special, okay, their economic conditions, their literacy level, everything will be poorer compared to others. So those PVTG, which government is also listed and supporting, you have to know the names of them if it comes in news. Okay, so these are actually from Odisha. Okay, these tribes are from Odisha. So one of the 13 PVTGs found in Odisha. In total India there are 75 PVTG, 13 of them are in Odisha. Okay, so in that these are examples of that. Okay, this Bunjia, this Bondas, and here the list is given, 13 of the PVTG, the full list is given. Okay, from this only I have made this question, and they are group of Austro-Asiatic tribe. Okay, we have Austro-Asiatic, we have Indo-Aryan, we have Sino-Tibetan, we have Dravidian, we have different types of people based on the location they are in India, and their occupation, language, everything will change according to that. Okay, so these are in news and you have to know. And as I told, because it's from May Current Affair, this is part of this playlist, this pack 12. Okay, and art and culture specific, if you need test, there is this pack 2 which has 16 history test. Okay, in this we have a lot of questions based on ancient, medieval, modern art and culture agriculture, and this will alone be sufficient to solve any question which comes in prelims. Okay, so 2023 aspirants have to enroll to the pack which you feel you are weak in. 24 students, you need not worry. I'm making a full 1 year timetable which will be launched by June first week. Okay, so I'm working on that. You can wait for that. So keep watching Plums, because Plums will help you understand how difficult is UPSC, or how easy is UPSC, how to approach different questions. When you read a topic, how to link it to the this thing, static to dynamic, that connection, everything we teach you. So please keep following Plums and subscribe to this channel. Okay, tomorrow the next episode will come by ma'am. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.